Hi guys, and this is 5 common mistakes people make in Unity. Number 1. Variable types. Up here you can see it asks for a character controller and a transform. So in your script you need to make sure that these are correct. Number 2. If you go into our script, we can see up here we've got these namespaces. These are the normal ones that come with the script. But if you want to use UI, you would copy and paste this and then save that. But in this script we don't need it. Number 3. When you make a child game object into a parent, it will get the same transform as the parent. So to reset it, you go here and reset. This will help with movement and positioning. Number 4. Tags. In your script, when you try to find a tag, up here you can see all the tags. You've got to make sure the spelling is correct, otherwise the script won't work. And at number 5, not adding scene to the build index. This is the error message you might get when this happens. So go File, Build Settings, and as you can see here I'm missing first level. So all you want to do is drag and then it's there, and now you might use this script to use these numbers or the name of the scene here. Okay, thanks for watching, make sure to like and subscribe.